Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of signing up for Krisp AI right from your browser. If you are ready to enhance your audio experience, let's dive in. Now first thing you need to do is open your Safari or any browser that you're using and navigate to the Krisp AI website. You can do this by typing Krisp AI in the address bar and hitting enter. So once you are on the Krisp official page, this is the interface that you'll see. You can explore the features and benefits for a moment, and when you see Get Krisp for free at top right corner of your screen, click on that. Now you can see various options through which you can sign up. You can use a Google account or your Microsoft account, or you can also use another email to sign up. After you're done typing your email, click on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Look for that in your mailbox. And when you see the code, you can just copy the code and paste it. Now you can connect your calendar. You can connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. Click on Proceed to Google Permission. Now you can choose the account to continue to Krisp. Now put your phone number for verification. If you check your phone, you'll be sent a code by Krisp. Copy the code and type it in. And then click on next. Now Krisp AI will ask you to give access for the additional Google account. Now click on continue. Now your Google Calendar is successfully connected. You just need to answer a few questions before getting started with Krisp. Now from the options given here, you can choose the sector you work on. Now you can choose option what you use Krisp primarily for. Now after that, you have signed up to Krisp AI successfully. And there you have it. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay healthy. Bye bye.